Croatia now and get 22 kilograms of baggage included.
Cheeky.
Package holidays you can trust. Anti-measure protected. Subject to availability conditions.
Remember any details. Find out if you could be owed thousands of pounds in compensation. Just text PCP to 62277.
I was going to flash bus that anyway.
Yeah.
62277. Farmer has told the Commons a suspected arson attack at his house in North London is an attack on democracy and the values we stand for.
He's a terrible driver, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Tory leader
Jesus
Tony Bader
Christ.
condemned the attack as completely unacceptable. The number of people waiting to take their driving test in Britain has exceeded 600,000 for the first time. The government says it's acting fast to
Oh my god, he's an idiot driver.